The insurance company claims the accident was your fault. What should your next step be? Here's how to push back when the blame game begins. In almost every case, the insurance adjuster is going to first look at whether they can prove the accident was your fault, whether it was partly your fault, or whether it was all their insured's fault. So that is the first consideration that insurance companies always have and insurance adjusters always have in their playbook. They're going to try to get you to give a recorded statement, and they're going to ask you questions in a way that are meant to elicit responses that are detrimental to your own case. In car accident cases specifically, we've had great success when our client comes to us and says, Mike, the accident was not my fault, but the other driver said it was, and now that driver's insurance company is blaming me for causing the accident. We've had tremendous success in those cases by employing the right experts, basically forensic engineers, to actually go to your car and download something called an electronic data recorder. Every car these days have what's essentially the same as a black box in an airplane. And those black boxes can be downloaded, the information can be downloaded, and it's a wealth of information. When the other insurance company is claiming that you were going too fast, it will record an event. The reason it's called an event data recorder. It will record the event when you have an accident. It will record the 5 seconds leading up to that accident and the 5 seconds after the accident. And so if another driver is saying, well, your client was speeding at the time, we can download the data to know exactly how fast you were going. We had particular success in a case in a multi-car rear-end collision accident where our client was right in the middle. Other drivers said he rear-ended the car in front of him before being rear-ended himself. By downloading the electronic data recorder, having our expert review that data, it was objective that he had come to a stop before getting rear-ended. We were able to tell how long he had been at a complete stop before being rear-ended, and our expert was able to calculate the speed at which he was rear-ended by the other vehicle, and that led to a great result. It started off when our client came to us. He said, hey, just to let you know, they're saying it was my fault. I believed our client, and sure enough, we said, we'll just go ahead and get the EDR, or electronic data recorder evidence, and it proved his case. And so that can oftentimes be the critical factor that helps prove the case when the other driver and insurance company is claiming that you caused the accident. You're not going to be able to really do that without an attorney. I'll be happy to walk you through your case. I'll be happy to consult with you. Please just give me a call. I help people every day. I'd love to help you, and the consultation is always free. Give me a call at Hancock Injury Attorneys.